Everybody, welcome to the Wolfpack Man channel, and today I'm going to be opening a hockey pack from 2005, 2006, Upper Deck Bee Hive. What makes this pack kind of unique is, look at the size. Inside the pack you have 5 cards. One is a 5x7 photo card, so that's kind of interesting. But I also love that Mr. Hockey himself, Gordie Howe, is on the cover. You know, it doesn't really get any better than that, a pack with Mr. Hockey on it. Nothing special about the back. The set, the Beehive, Upper Deck Bee Hive set, has 250 cards in it. 62 are Hall of Famers, 90 rookies. 2 of those 90 rookies are Sidney, Crosby, and Alexander Ovechkin. So it's going to be sad to open this pack, especially if neither of those players is in this pack, because for the 15 years that I've been holding on to this pack, 16 years, I can always in my head say, well, Ovechkin's in that pack. I don't need to go out on eBay and buy a Ovechkin rookie, because I've already got one in my closet in a shoebox. So time to find out if that logic holds true. That may have been a tad flawed, I admit. So let's open it up and try not to do any damage to my friend there on the front, Mr. Hockey himself. It's not too bad. Okay, so big freaking card here. Alright. Okay, so there's another pack in there, and then this is the big card. Oh, it's autographed. Oh, that is cool. I had no idea this was going to be an autograph. Entering his rookie season into the Alexander Perez Hogan, R4. Wow, so I got a rookie autograph monster card. So that's surprise number 1. I don't know that much about Alexander, but I definitely will in about 10 minutes. That's pretty sweet. And then here is the inside pack. Martin Brodeur is on the front. So I don't know if there's just going to be 4 cards in here. I think that's what there's going to be 4 cards in here. Well, I don't know. Yeah, because it says 5 cards in every pack, and and it calls the 5x7 photo card a card. So I have to believe there's going to be 4 cards in here. And let's see what we have. So we have Martin Brodeur, Glen Murray, a rookie card, Barry Talixon, and a Ryan Whitney card. So that's what they look like on the front. This is what the backs of these cards look like. Here's the Beehive rookie, Barry Talixon. And that's what the back of the rookie card looks like. So there you go. 2005-2006 Upper Deck Bee Hive, including a jumbo photo card that in this situation just happens to be signed, so that is very, very cool. See everybody later.